Alright.
So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the key to all drum beats. All beats. It's the drums. You got to have hot drums. If you don't have hot drums, then you don't have nothing. Alright, so in this little video, I'm going to show you how to put together a quick drum track, and just so you can get the feeling of like what you need, which is the key ingredient to make a dope beat. So come closer, and then we'll key in on the screen. So the first thing we'll do is we'll set the tempo up to like 188 or something like that. Turn the metronome on. Whatever dial you use, it doesn't matter. And then we'll turn it on. Okay, so 808 ain't really, can't really hear the 808. So here it's kind of rocking a little bit, right? So now if I just play the piano, like, you can play anything. You can play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Wait, oh, wait. Wait. Oh, wait, hold on. This ain't Mary Little Lamb, but I gotta be able to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Let me hear it. Happy birthday. Okay, got you. Watch. Okay. Oh man, so anyway, so much like Gmail, you get the picture. You gotta have a hot rocking drum track. That's the key to all you beginners out there. All you advanced people out there, you probably need to know how to sell your beats. And in the membership, you get to know that too. So just let us know. We got G-Bella on the camera laughing, giggling, messing up my whole video. But we're gonna post it. If you need more help, just go to crashbangers.com and I got you.